If you're considering white label DSP for your agency, especially in verticals like iGaming, crypto, fintech, this video might save you months of frustration. Because a white label DSP is powerful, but it's not magic. And most churn doesn't happen because of traffic. It happens because expectations were never aligned. So let's break it down clearly. Let's start with clear onboarding framework. You should expect a structured onboarding process, typically within the first week after trial or contract start. That includes pixel setup, post-back integrations, traffic source alignment, also vertical compliance clarification, and communication channel agreement. If onboarding feels chaotic or improvised, that's a red flag. Second, define communication SLAs. You should expect acknowledgement within 24 hours, clear ETA for delivery, faster response windows for urgent cases, for example, 6 to 8 hours. Even if the answer is "we're checking inventory," silence is not acceptable. A white label DSP partner should operate like an extension of your team, not a black box. Third, backup and escalation structure. So you should expect a primary manager, a backup contact, clear escalation path, and transparent holiday coverage. If your customer success manager disappears and there is no replacement, that's operational risk, not just simple inconvenience. Fourth, strict white label discipline. In white label setup, brand control is everything, so you should expect no direct contact with your end clients unless approved, no DSP brand exposure, no platform logos in your client-facing communication, pre-approved messaging if needed. White label means invisible infrastructure. For example, EPAM DSP is a platform built to scale with your needs, whether you're managing 5 local advertisers or 50 multi-geo campaigns. So without rebuilding your operational structure every time you grow, you just use us. Fifth, bill and transparency. You should expect clear explanation of what you pre-fund. Also, defined fee structure. What is the percentage of ad spend, etc. Also, automatic monthly invoicing. And reconciliation clarity. If you don't understand your cash flow, scaling becomes very, very risky. Sixth is structured traffic and inventory process. You should expect geo-split answers, UK separate from Denmark and not combined, clear availability confirmation, realistic sourcing timelines, transparency if traffic is unavailable. What else should you not expect from a white label DSP? Now the important part. So, first, instant custom traffic on demand. A white label DSP is not a vending machine, especially in restricted verticals. Sourcing quality gambling or fintech traffic in tier 1 geos takes relationship management and compliance checks. Reasonable timelines matter. Second, priority without predictability. If you are spending like $500 a day during testing, don't expect enterprise-level custom development overnight. Support should be professional, yes, but prioritization often correlates with scale. Scaling unlocks leverage. Third, fully customized workflow for every agency. If the DSP adapts 100% to every client, internal chaos follows. Strong partners standardize CLAs, communication channels, escalation rules, billing cycles. Structure protects both sides. Number 4. White label without responsibility. White label doesn't mean the DSP does everything. Agencies still need to share geo plans early, communicate traffic requirements before client pitches them, clarify urgency levels. Also, you should own client-facing strategy. White label is partnership, not outsourcing accountability. So, A good white label DSP is not just a platform. It's infrastructure, communication system, also compliance filter, and billing engine. It can be also traffic access layer, but it only works when expectations are documented, not assumed. So, if you're evaluating a white label DSP, ask these questions. What's your CLA? Who's my backup contact? How does billing actually work? How do you handle geo-inventory visibility? What are your white label communication rules? If the answers are vague, problems will appear later. If they are documented, scaling becomes very, very predictable. And predictable systems are what agencies need to grow. So, thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Bye!